Now I know I was telling you all kinds of stuff that I still have to do in this area, okay? But don't let it get to you too much. Don't let it overwhelm you thinking, I can't do this myself. Video Joe, he's off his rockers. There's no way he's going to do all this. Yeah, when we take off, he's just going to have somebody else come in here and then he's going to act as though he did it and blah, blah, blah. No, I'm doing it all on my own. And I just look at each thing as a mini project, M-I-N-I. I don't care about the existing drip irrigation pipe that I still have to come out of, that I have to still find all the bubblers, that I have to raise the bubblers. I don't care about any of that stuff. The only thing I'm going to concentrate on is getting this pipe removed, getting it dug down, and getting it ready to install this T, put the T on, hook this up. That's the only thing I care about right now. I don't care about anything else. Just do it in many stages. M-I-N-I with many stages. M-A-N-Y stages. And you do as much as you can and come out here after work tomorrow and work for 3 or 4 hours before dark. Get a trouble light out here. Get a construction light out here. Okay, yeah, it's dark, I can't do anything. Get your light out here. Get bundled up. Go do some more on it and do whatever you have to do to get it done. If you don't have enough money or you don't want to spend the money to pay somebody else, you see how, oh yeah, I could do that. You see, if you see how you can do things like that, you save, trust me, you'll save money every time you come out here working on your own. Get yourself a decent pair of work boots or work shoes, get some gloves, get some eye protector, get some earplugs, toilet paper, whatever, get a knee brace. I got a knee brace on under here. I got a back support. I got a back support brace on here. I've got a hat on. You just spend some time, protect yourself, get yourself a few tools, and after the first project you got tools that you can add to for your next project. You know what I mean? Stuff like that, all right? I'm just trying to encourage you that, hey, if I show a video, I will never show you a video I think you can't do, which means any video that I post that you see from Video Joe, I think you can do it too. Remember that. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. And hey, the more videos you watch, the more you learn and the more you save. At least that's my hope. See you tomorrow.